Hi, David here from Making Stuff Easy. Today I dropped a glass jar full of nails. You can see the mess it's made and obviously the risk associated with broken glass. So let's see how we can clean this up. First of all, safety first. Put on some good shoes and some gloves. Now we've got a couple of options here. We can choose to actually pick out the glass and then sweep up the nails. But there's quite a bit of fluff and rubbish in there as well, so let's not do that. Let's just go back to square one. And then let's actually just sweep everything, glass, lid, fluff and everything up into a dustpan and brush. So I'll just do that quickly. Make sure we get everything, get it all in there. And so now we've actually got it all together in one spot. Now, here's where the magnets come in. I've had this for a long time, not sure where I got it from, but now I'm going to use it. It's quite a strong magnet, and so I can attract quite a few nails. You can see I can just lift them and pull them out. It leaves the glass and the lid behind. If it picks up the lid because it's metal, then just put it back into the tray and just continue doing that. If there's any stragglers, pick them up as they go through. What you want to try and do is actually get all the nails out, but don't bring any of the fluff, the glass or the lids with them. You can see the container's a good size for this one as well. So we want to make sure we pick up all the stragglers, and there's a couple there. And of course there's always a few, so we'll have a look around and pick those ones out as well, and then we'll check around and make sure there's none left in there. Okay, so there we go. So now we've got a good container, plastic, with a lid on it, and so if I drop that in the future then I'll make a mess, but I won't create any risk from the broken glass. And put that to one side for the moment. And safety first again, because we've been rummaging around in that tray, then we'll sweep everything up and make sure we haven't left any fragments of glass that may have fallen out. So there you go. Hopefully you like that one. Please subscribe and like if you like. Thanks very much. Bye.